Hello and welcome everyone to amazing new Hostinger offer. So in this video, I'm going to tell you two of the latest Hostinger coupon code and an amazing offer through which you can get awesome, amazing discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So what you have to do to get started is to simply click on the link in the description to get started with the offer. This offer is going to give you amazing discount, deals, promotion. So once you click on a special discount link, you will be entitled to a page like this where you can see a special offer running right now, but I'm going to tell you more offer. So what you have to do is to scroll below. You can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, Google, Hostadvice, W, everyone praising Hostinger for their finest services. And if you look around on Trustpilot, you're going to see that majority of the reviews are 5-star reviews. And Trustpilot is the industry's most independent review company, and you're going to see the major reviews are 5-star, and everyone is praising Hostinger. That Hostinger is cool, and the best thing is that it is being covered with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy your hosting from Hostinger with confidence through this offer. So these are the three most popular plans and offer, like premium, business, and cloud startup. And you know that I'm going to tell you two of the finest coupon codes as well through which you can get further discount. Make sure to click on the link in the description to see already running deals. If you want to see more, select the see all features, and you're gonna see that Hostinger has amazing features, functions available, like manage WordPress is being the part of it. Hosting a website builder is part of it. Security, amazing security features, service and support is included, and they have data centers all around the world, so you can host your website in any location you want to host. And then you can see that Hosting provides their own website builder through which you can create your website as easy as ABC with a click of a button. And Hostinger also provide maximized website speed, so you can see if you compare them with the competitors how fast their servers are. And with this offer you are also getting 24/7 support, and right now more than 2.5 million people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company, and even I am one of them as well, and my experience so far of 3 years is very good, which is why I definitely recommend you guys to avail this offer and get amazing discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. Now they also provide you advanced security features, malware scanner, DDoS attacks prevention, a lot more stuff like automatic backups. So now select your offer. So do your research on what plans, functions, features you may need, and after this simply select the choose plan with any offer you are going to offer. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page. On that page you can finalize this offer and also use a special coupon code. You can see that these are already running discount deals, 30 days money back guarantees included with this offer. Now check your billing period. Hosting will offer various billing periods, so you can select any according to your preference and budget. For instance, in 48 months you're getting 3 months extra free, which is a very good add-on. But you can also offer 24 or 12 months as well. You're saving a lot of money over here as well. But say a big no to 1 month, and you are also being shown like $4.99 setup fee, so it's going to be hell expensive. So I do not recommend opting for the 1 month, but 12, 24, or 40 months is a good option. Once you select your billing period, scroll below, write your email ID over here, or you can synchronize with the Google or Facebook account over here. Once you're done with this, select your payment method. Now this is what I like about Hostinger, is that they offer various payment methods, so you can select any according to your preference with this offer. So once you select your payment method, you can write your billing details over here and select your country, and you can see that price already have a huge discount loaded. Now select have a coupon code to get a further discount based offer, and write this coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video, and guys, you don't have to copy it but have to manually write it. Simply select the apply, and you can see that a price is going to get a further discount. Now there is another coupon code as well which you can use with this offer, and that is HI10. You can simply write over there, and you can see that this offer got a further discount. Now if you are going to buy hosting from Hostinger, then make sure to use this coupon codes to get amazing discount based offer from Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.